we present our final poster, a 3-part collectible designed to bring the essence of the brand center to life. This 3-part design encourages collectability and also alludes to the beauty of unity. The first section references the Jazz Night event, showcasing the center's commitment to cultural experiences. At the center, we've spotlighted the architecture of the brand center. Its flowing, curved design without harsh edges makes it feel naturally welcoming, and we wanted to reflect that openness visually. The third part features our original mascot, Benzo, which embodies the futuristic spirit of the brand center with its sleek robotic form and wheels on each leg, a homage to the Transformer exhibition. Its outstretched wings trace the skyline of the Dubai Design District. Furthermore, the Mercedes-Benz logo is centered on its chest plate. We wanted to capture the futuristic visual of the brand center through the mascot. Seen hovering over the racetrack, a nod to the recent F1 screening event, the mascot is meant to draw people in and connect everyone, no matter their age or background. Doodles weave through the entire piece, representing everything from coffee and music to cultural events and sports. Small but memorable touches that capture the center's everyday experiences. By highlighting these events and experiences, we aim to show the public what the brand center offers. Our background is inspired by Van Gogh's iconic style, blending tradition with modernity, just like the brand center does. It also references the art exhibitions the brand center regularly hosts. We wanted the curvy designs in the background to simulate movement and liveliness, and we let the shape of the background echo the center's unique, edge-free design. Finally, we gave it a slogan, a space to belong. It's more than a phrase, it's a reflection of what this space hopes to be. An inclusive, dynamic hub for the UAE's vibrant and diverse community. We printed the poster on Khadi white rag paper, a sustainable handmade paper crafted from 100% cotton rag. This choice not only enhances the tactile quality, but also reinforces our commitment to environmentally conscious design. In essence, this poster captures the spirit of Mercedes-Benz brand center, where design meets tradition and every element reflects luxury, elegance, and sustainability.